I'm gonna teach you the most unbelievable card trick ever. This is a self-working, no setup card trick that needs zero practice. And all you need is just a deck of cards. And to watch this video, hey guys, I'm Parsa and welcome to Pars Magic. And today I'm here to teach you an impossible card trick. It's very insane and very simple, easy, and you can do it right now. So grab a deck of cards and let's get into it. Give the deck to your spectator to shuffle it as much as he likes, and he can shuffle it however he likes. A far shuffle, a riffle shuffle, and when he's happy, you start the performance. You can see all the cards are completely mixed and random, and there is no setup in the deck. So I'm gonna pick a prediction, and it's a very important card. This card. Make sure I don't switch it. Okay, I do one more riffle shuffle. Right. So I'm gonna deal the cards, and you're gonna tell me when to stop. You are completely free. Everything is fair. Tell me when to stop. Here, right? One more card. Here, right? So the deck has been shuffled, and I have some random cards here. So now I'm gonna deal the cards and make two piles. Everything is clean and fair. So this pile will determine the value, and this pile will determine the suit of the card. Which card? My prediction. The value 10 of spades. So in this case, we have 10 of spades. It's completely random. Everything is fair. My prediction is also ace of spades, 10 of spades. How is it possible? If you are into magic, you are in the right place. Welcome to Pars Magic. Just subscribe my channel and enjoy the tutorials. Right, let's get into it. Before the tutorial, just think about how impossible is that. And easy, very easy. It's very easy to do. And think about how impossible and random is that. All right, after shuffling, you're gonna make a prediction, but you're gonna take a look at the top card and the second card. The top card, the value, and the second card will determine the suit. In this case, Queen of Diamonds. So you predict the Queen of Diamonds, but something might happens that misses your performance. After the tutorial, I will tell you what that is. Where is the Queen of Diamonds? Oh, there it is. So you predict the Queen of Diamonds, and then ask him to say stop, and you're gonna deal the cards like this. No matter when they say stop. When you make two piles, the two top cards will be your cards that you remember. But pay attention which pile the last card lands on, because that pile will determine the value. This pile, right? Let me show you again. Queen of Diamonds, stop, make two piles. The last card lands on this pile. So this pile will determine the value. Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Diamonds, the spectator is fooled. But something might happen that messes up your performance. The top two card had the same value or the same suit. The same value, it's Queen of Spades, it's here, you can predict it. Or if they had the same suit, for example, this 5 of diamonds, it's here, you can predict it. In this case, you just tell the spectator, just shuffle it again, or just make a cut, and the card will be just fine. Or tell your spectator to shuffle it again, shuffle the cards again, shuffle more, just like that. Don't worry about it, just perform it. But if you want to learn a more interesting trick, forget every trick you know, included this trick, and watch this video. It's a very good trick that you can perform. Go and watch this video and learn it and enjoy it. And welcome to Pars Magic.